Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you to make our channel a 300 member channel, a 300 subscriber channel. And on this special occasion, I am going to teach you something called a bull put spread. So you already know that selling an option is a complicated job. And if you want to sell any option, say for example 44,000 P in Bank Nifty, it is asking you close to 1,39,000. Now this is something difficult for everyone to do. So in this video we are going to learn how to decrease this margin by at least 50%. Okay, so don't miss out any part of the video so that you would learn everything and will be able to trade successfully and make big profits with this knowledge. So to begin with, what is the reason why we are doing this? The reason why we are doing this is you already know that most of the option sellers keep making money and option buyers keep losing money. And if you are an option buyer, you already know this fact. And in this video, we are going to come up with a solution for that. So say for example, at this point of time, Bank Nifty is trading at, let's consider it 44,000 here. You can see it here. How do we become an option seller? Okay, for that we are going to learn a strategy that is called bull put spread. Let me bring up Zerodha here. I'll give you every detail of this. In the end of this video, also learn what mistakes you should not be doing while doing this. So first of all, we would go to something called orders here. Once I click on orders, there is orders, GTT and all these options here. What I am interested, or what we are interested is in baskets. In baskets, ignore all these baskets. These are my baskets. You can create your own basket with this option here, which says new basket. Once I click this, it will ask you for a name. So I'm putting as bull put spread. Okay, and I hit on create. This name is optional, friends. You can change it anytime you wish to. Now let me pull up the option chain for Bank Nifty. Now we are looking at 22nd June expiry Bank Nifty option chain. Okay, so this is 44,000 put option, which is currently at 234 rupees. If in case Bank Nifty closes above 44,000, okay, so let's draw that here for your convenience. So this is your 44,000. So if Bank Nifty closes above this level on the 22nd, that means this particular option, which is trading at around 234 right now, okay, this will become zero. Now what we can do here is we can create a bull put spread. For that, I have just created this in front of you, so I am going to edit it now, so it brings me to the same page. For that, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to buy a 1,000 or 1,500 points out of money put option. Okay, so those who don't understand out of money, forget about it. What is the cost right now? It is at 44,000. 1,500 points less, that is 42,500. Put is what we are going to buy. Okay, that is running at 13 rupees. So 42,500 PE, and that is for 22nd July, which is the next expiry. This is what we are going to buy. And what we are going to do, we are going to buy 2 lots of this particular put. And this is running at around 13 rupees. Okay. And I hit on add here. Now it's asking me for 650 rupees, friends. Okay. If I execute this order. At the same time, I am also going to sell. Okay. Note it, sell 44,000. I am going to sell a 44,000 put option, which is of the same expiry 22nd of June. Okay, and I'm going to sell it. Okay, so it's asking me a margin of 1,39,000 here, just like previously. You can see that margin that it has asked previously is 650 here in the basket, and I hit add with one quantity. Okay, immediately you have seen that the option is now asking a final margin of only 33,000 rupees. And as soon as I hit execute, it will first have to buy this put option worth 650 and then sell this put option worth 38,200 with a total margin requirement of 33,604 rupees and 68 paisa. Okay, so once this position is created, now what is going to happen next? Now see friends, when it comes to option trading, as long as there is option buying situation I'm talking about, as long as the call option doesn't go up or the bank nifty doesn't go up drastically, the call option will not gain much of money. And this put spread that we are talking about, as long as it is trading even here, okay, at the same level, you will still keep accumulating some premium. That would be marginal or small, but you will continue to be you will continue to be in profit even when the option is sideways. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to tell you few cautions that you have to execute while taking this spread. First of all, your buy order, that is out of money put option which you are buying, okay, this one should be executed first, then your sell should be executed second, and when you are closing your position or exiting the position, you should first exit the sell position, okay, and then exit the buy position here. Only that is when this will not ask for big margin. I hope I made it very clear. Now in this example, I'm going to pull up Excel sheet to get a clear picture of what we are doing. So for example, we are buying a put option worth 13 rupees, 13, and we are buying two of them. So that would be 26 rupees that we are buying, and we are selling a put option of 234.7. Okay, let's consider 230. Okay, and we are going to sell only one of it, so that is 230. So now in case for next whatever amount of time bank nifty is continuously sideways, okay, what will happen next if it is sideways and it is staying at the same level? In that case, both these two premiums will lose 10% each. Okay, so 10% of 26 is 2.6 and 10% of 230 is 23. So net you will be losing this 26 minus 2.6, which is 23.4 would be the premium, and in this case the premium would be 207. Now if I subtract these two, you will see you are still in profit. So here, say for example, you have entered this position, the total amount that you will be paying is this 230 which you have sold minus 26, okay, that is 204. And if in case bank nifty is flat throughout the time period, at the same level you will see this minus this, that is 183, which is a difference of about this minus this, that is coming to 20 rupees. This 20 rupees multiplied by lot size, which is 25, will give you the profit that you are going to earn in this particular put spread, even if bank nifty is sideways till that entire period. So basically all I'm trying to say is, even if the option is going up, or if bank nifty is going up, or if it remains sideways, you will still be in profit. The only place that you will be in loss is when the underlying asset or bank nifty is coming down drastically against you. Even if it comes little against you, you will still remain at zero profit and zero loss. But if it goes drastically against you, then it is going to show losses. Coming to 510 rupees, and say for example it closes about 44,000 till the expiry here. Okay, at expiry it closes somewhere here or at the same level. Then what will happen is both these things will become zero. To calculate that, I'm going to just show you. You will be losing this 26 rupees completely, and you will be gaining this 230 rupees completely. 230. So your total here would be this and this put together. So you would still be in a gain of 204 points, and of course 25 is the lot size. That makes it a profit of 5,100 rupees, friends. When bank nifty is sideways, all it has to ensure is the position of bank nifty or underlying asset is above the 44,000 mark, which we have sold here. Okay, so you will be getting the entire 5,100. Now if you calculate, 33,604 is your investment, out of which you are getting 5,100. Forget, or you can go ahead and deduct all the taxes and the brokerage. That will get you at least 4,800. So this is also a return of more than 10% in a week. So this is how we can continue to trade in bank nifty by. I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. And now that we have taken this initiative to take our channel to next level of learning, make sure that you share it with everyone possible. Give that likes if you're liking this kind of videos, educational videos, and also give me your comments about how you felt on this particular strategy. And those of us who have not understood any part of the video can watch it 2 times, 3 times. Ensure that you understand each and every step before executing such trades, friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next educational video just like this.